We needed a new drill that would be able to drill into brickwork, so actual stone. That's why we decided to purchase this Einhell Power X-Change drill. What we really like about this drill, first of all, it is cordless. That is great. It comes with a battery pack and with a charger. That is awesome. I'm going to show you now in action. My husband is drilling some holes in the wall. Here you can see my husband drilling a hole into the brick wall with this Einhell Power X-Change cordless impact drill, and it works well. Obviously you have to have some strength. It took a little while, but it managed this brick wall well. So what we really like about it, first of all, as I said, is that it doesn't have any cables, cordless. And also it feels nice and solid. You can see I can hold it very well here. And yeah, of course you need some power, some strength to drill, but it is very easy to hold. It feels quite solid. We also like that this Einhell drill can drill in both directions, and you can also use it as a normal electric screwdriver, which is also great. It also has a useful little light down here, which is helpful when you're drilling, when it's a bit darker. This is a really good pick for you if you're looking for a drill to drill into brickwork. You can also find a link to this Einhell Power X-Change drill in the video description. I can highly recommend you this Einhell cordless Power X-Change drill. This is a really great drill.